we're back with another episode of Ask the Expert. I'm Josiah and I have a question sent in by you guys. How do technicians diagnose airflow issues, and what are the most common causes of poor airflow in residential systems? That's a two-part question, and we're going to start out with the first part. How would you diagnose an airflow issue? Looking at that, a couple things we want to check out are the blower motor located in the furnace. Is that operational? Do we have that turning on and producing air? If not, then we would have to look at the motor and see maybe what are some causes that the motor is not running. Secondly, if we do verify that the blower motor is working, we want to make sure that the filter is not clogged. Sometimes we forget to change those filters on a regular basis. I definitely recommend to change it at least once every 6 months for optimal airflow.